Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your personal details in the HiPal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the person button at the top of the page on the right. And here just click on the edit button. And as you can see, you can change your profile image, you can set your username, and you can also say something interesting about yourself in your bio. So just type anything and then click on the save button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.